Happy New Year and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. Today's story is about something we all experience but rarely talk about. The first day back after the holiday break. The shop had been shut down for over a week. Machines were idle, programs untouched, tools sitting right where we left them before the holidays. We powered everything up, loaded a familiar job and figured we'd just ease back in with something simple. Bad assumption. The first part off the machine didn't look terrible, but it wasn't right either. Slight size drift, finish not quite what we remembered. Nothing catastrophic, but just off enough to make you question everything. Turns out it wasn't one big issue, it was a handful of small ones. Coolant concentration had changed while sitting, the machine temperature hadn't fully stabilised yet, and one of the tool offsets had been temporarily adjusted before the break and never reset. Once we slowed down, revalidated the setup, rechecked offsets and let the machine settle in, everything snapped back into place. Lesson learned. The first cut of the year deserves the same respect as the first article. After a long break, don't assume anything and verify everything. This is also where having things documented really helps. Being able to quickly review previous job details, tool setups and notes in MachiningCloud made it easier to spot what had changed and what shouldn't have. Good information saves time when everyone's still shaking off the holiday rust. If this story sounds familiar, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Plenty more real-world CNC lessons are coming this year. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.